You guys, I just got inside the Thai tea place. I'm about to, I just ordered, what is it called? What's the Thai tea place? I'm at the Thai place. And I'm ordering Thai tea. I got 3 Thai teas, one for me, one for my uncle, one for my auntie. No, for my grandma, actually. And yeah, I'll see you guys. So today we're at, what is it called, McDonald's?
Just left McDonald's. He's gonna try the new mushroom and Swiss burger. I'm gonna eat the McDouble. I like McDouble.
Yeah. And you got a sausage McMuffin.
That's
so. Yeah. And we'll catch you guys when we get back to the house.
No, we gotta go.
Alright, you guys. I'm back there. We're done with the car keys. This how it looks. It's like it's half tea, then it's just half milk on top of it. And, you know, so it just floats. I'll see you guys around. Alright, you guys. They bring the Thai tea here. They bring the Thai tea, and we got it. It's half milk and half tea. So like the milk just floats on the top, and we gotta mix it around together. You know, stay. I'll see you guys when we're at the house, though. We got a McDouble. We got a McChicken. That one's mine. He got a sausage McMuffin and another sausage McMuffin. And some napkins that you go eat. So, you know, and I got the signature crafted. What the hell is this called again? Mushroom burger. And you got 3 Thai teas. See you guys when the food is ready.
Alright, hi. So we're continuing back from our McDonald's trip. Got a McDouble. We went to the Lawson Thai cuisine. Got Thai tea. It's okay. And
Show.
I need the McDonald's.
mushroom Swiss burger.
With the little things around.
And I bought about Thai tea.
Sausage muffin. Thai tea.
Hả? Bây giờ dọn ra hết nè.
I'll edit that out. Then that.
Thai tea. I don't want to mix that.
It's kind of sweet and good. Yeah, mushroom though.
How much you bought the Thai tea at the Vietnamese spot? For one, it's like
$2 for a little
McDouble. I don't want to eat too much McDonald's.
Bây giờ phải mà ăn.
We was just at the
Their
Korean barbecue
mushrooms
earlier.
hecka nasty.
He wants to eat it. He want to eat that nasty stuff. For me, burgers, it depends on the mushroom and burger. It don't look good to me.
Hả? Anh không sợ gì?
Burger.
Ngoài phim gì?
Don't mind my background. It's still doing it. We're not professionals. We're like super amateur.
Rookie.
Not even a rookie.
Beginner.
Not even a beginner.
A Fortnite player.
Mà nó cạnh ra, xinh xinh.
Oh well.
It took like freaking 5, 6. If it was from the other place, it would have been gone in 5, 6. Yeah. Oh, Ty, you owe him back his money.
Double patty. McDouble. All I need was lettuce and tomatoes. Oh.
This is nasty as hell. You never buy me dumb stuff again. No. Can't waste it. I was nasty. Ugh.
Man, she like that better.
I'm my big chicken. You got me messed up now.
Alam ba rin? Muy Maria. I like McChicken, but
Thật ra nước lại là mình đàn đâu rồi. Thầy kia,
no, con real.
đặt nhiều lên á, anh con nhiều. Mấy cái mà không còn.
You're not gonna set it up.
So I don't want to do too much talking anyway. I don't really like the camera. My camera shot is on. You know, I really like to see myself and record myself.
Because he hates the way he talks.
Yeah, and I don't like taking pictures. But, you know, to each his own. So this is something new, and this is like out of my comfort zone. Oh well. This is Young Savage's phone. Check his channel.
Link in the description.
Link in the description down below. Subscribe, like, notification. Alright.
Yeah. Yeah, check out a real YouTuber. We only got 28 subscribers.
So if you guys don't know, Thai tea is I guess it's made from Thai. It's like, I don't know what it is, but they put some cream after that. So
They put tea, then they put milk, half and half milk.
Yeah, see.
Said what, tea?
Hey, this is the bomb. This is the true Thai tea.
Hey, do not ever order this nasty ass burger. It's the mushroom. That's how it
Who follows that the bottom mushroom?
I'll edit that out. Because some of you don't know.
So he's gonna watch me drink this all. I said. You gotta have the Korean barbecue.
Yeah. Hey. She's in LA.
She's in LA. They got Koreatown.
I do. I done told her already. So my story is my sister's in LA with her boyfriend, and she wanna complain about us going to Korean barbecue.
28 subscribers.
All you can eat. And she's mad, but she's in LA, California. Ain't none of us ever been there.
Alright, look. He has 28 subscribers right now.
Oh, then he wants to steal my
So,
channel? What the heck?
Who? Not me. I gave you your channel with 25
Yeah,
subscribers.
now you want to put all the dirt?
Yeah. Yeah, everybody go write him up to at least 40 subscribers. 40. That's not even that much. Come on, tell him.
He's bagging on my channel.
I'm not begging.
Yeah, that's the name of my channel. Here's what he said. Snow your house now. Let me change it
Sausage, McMuffin.
She like that better than cheeseburger.
I wouldn't.
I like that. That's pretty good.
Egg McMuffins are true.
Yeah, egg muffin is.
The eggs are so good. I always be like this.
Hey, see this? Some places like $3-4. We got it for like $2.75, I think. Gosh, that's some good. It's basically tea with some cream for Thai tea.
What the fuck?
Dude? Oh, what?
A chicken bug!
That's a cockroach.
Them motherfuckers is nasty.
A lot. Then why you want to run? That's why it's here.
Fucking cockroach, look at this kitty.
Hey. Okay, yeah, look, he's throwing up because You see a cockroach?
I mean,
Look,
That's fucking nasty. Ugh.
this is not. This is
We're
for
not
real. We
posting
didn't
this.
realize this.
We're
No,
not
we
posting
are.
this shit.
Look, we just realized he had a.
That's a cup. Keep that cup. Keep that cup.
Dang.
Keep that fucking cup. You can
Why?
fucking sue them.
Dang. No, you can't.
Yeah, man.
Look, we got roaches in this tree. You see a cockroach?
Oh! Oh god, that is nasty. yeah, right. He said call the police. We're not posting this. No.
He's throwing up off the cockroach. He didn't realize it. I thought he was choking off his food, but dang.
Oh shit.
I think you shut down for that shit.
I want some more though.
Cockroach. That's nasty.
Ugh.
He is clowning. Is he bagging? Hey, he's bagging. You see a roach for real.
That shit's nasty. Ugh.
That place is unsanitary.
I knew because I looked in the back. That was nasty. In the dream.
Yours don't even got on Thai. You got McDonald's. This is Thai tea. You got sweet tea. The Laos place. What you gonna say?
I thought that was in the outside. I tried to wipe it off and I was like,
Hey, you can go get your money back at least. You wanna go?
what the hell does that mean?
I mean, you can sue him because I don't know, Kenny would, but I'll just.
That's what I mean. There's no cockroaches in that shit. In that place.
Ugh. Am I gonna die?
Yep. I'll give you 10 minutes. Man, throw away that crap, dude. I don't see it. Throw it.
What the hell? I did throw it up. Oh god.
No, right here.
Oh my
Well-
god, I seen the little bits of legs of it.
This is
Oh,
it's funny.
Ugh.
So there's a roach.
Oh god.
Look at that roach.
Go right next to the old where they moved. I made the outside place my ass.
Ugh.
There's a roach in here for real. It's not even the outside, it's the inside. See?
Why is Yang yelling?
And we don't even got roaches here. Oh.
Dude, you still recording?
They're closed.